Hello everyone, your safety matters to us. To prevent slips, trips, and falls, keep to the right and use handrails while using stairs and escalators. Have a safe day and thank you for riding with us.
What's up guys, it's January 25th, Sunday, and there is a snowstorm advisory. The weather forecast says it's going to be between 12 to 14 inches of snow. So I'm going to show you how New York City looks like during the snowstorm. People are still out and about, but the trains are running late, of course.
This is the inbound F local train.
I'm out by the 57th Street stop on the F line. As you can see, Starbucks is closed, but this deli next to it is open. Of course, a lot of people are just like going to Central Park at the moment, and that's where I'm headed as well. Oh, this is the entrance of Central Park. Wow, it is a winter wonderland. Alright, so people are sledding here, and there's a bunch of people up there. Let's go and see what's going on over there. Alright, this is what's going on. Everyone's trying to sled here. Let's see everyone in action.
It's too heavy.
Go. Oh God.
Yeah!
There's so many people here in Central Park. Oh. You're on the Upper East Side. As you can see, there's not much activity here. Most of the businesses are closed. There's some guys shoveling snow. This is Lower East Side. Not much activity here as well. Finally, one spot is open. Pizza Love Sauce. Let's go.